today. So I'm currently on the ferry, taking the ferry over to Austin Terminal, and then take a bus to the water park as well as the mall. So yeah, hopefully it'll be a good day. As you can see, I'm on the ferry heading over. So made it to the mainland, and in the background here is Wasson Mall, and the water park is just on the other side of the mall over there, and that is where we're heading. So we're just outside of the park now. As you can see, the slides there. We are heading to the entrance. So we just got inside the gates of Mordor. No, we didn't get inside the gates of Mordor. We're in the water park now. So there you go. Some shots from inside. Beautiful day out. So just going up a water slide right now, going to see how it is.
No, you stopped me back when I was passing by, and now I beg to see you then just one more time. Oh, I see you every time, and on my eye, I like your style. Oh, you make me wanna cry, and now I beg to see you dance just one more time. So I say, dance for me, oh. I've never seen anybody do the things you do before.
So just finished at Big Splash Waterslide Park in Tsawwassen, and it was good. Lines were long though, so I didn't get a lot of rides in, but ones we did, they were pretty good. So now that we're done here, I'm gonna be heading back to the ferry so that we can get home.
Oh my God, I see you walking by. Take my hands, my dear, and look me in my eyes. Just like a monkey, I've been dancing my whole life, and you just beg to see me dance just one more time. Oh, I see you every time, and on my eye, I like your style. Ooh, you make me